Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 13th of December. So I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. This is gold. So on this chart, basically we are in a very good uptrend. As you can see, we had a very good shape here yesterday. It's still there. We said that as long as the price does not break below this trend line or above the upper trend line, we are actually looking for a buy along this lower line and a sell from the upper line. And in case the price breaks above this line, which is 1810.99, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So the idea here basically will be to watch for a break above this line, then wait for a pullback so that the price can continue to the upper side, which means this one here was a good place to look for a buy from, and this here is also a good place we want to look for a buy from. So either the price bounces off from this point and we pick a buy position, or the price breaks above this line and we pick another buy position, or the price may break below this line. If the price goes below the line I'm extending now, then we do expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards up to this target here. The next chart is GBP USD. This is upwards. So we do have like a very good shape on this. So this is a contracting wedge formation. Have that, and then we have that. You can see what's happening. The price is headed to is like it's upward but within a contracting wedge formation. So we want to see a clear breakout above this line. We want to see the price break and close above that line. We want to see the price close above this line here. If that happens, I want to see some retracement before the price can continue to the upper side. So this here will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. If the price pulls back down and touches this line, then that will be the best place to look for a buy from. The next chart, so Euro USD. On this chart also we have the same formation. We are looking at this is like a triangular formation. We have the base here and this is the hypotenuse. So we have a resistance, we expect this to be a resistance, then we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. If the price goes up and ends up breaking above this line, the upper line, then we want to see some pullback back to the same point before we can pick a buy position. So this here will be the best place to look for a buy from here, and also here. This was a good place to look for a buy from. If the price breaks above this line, the two lines, then that also will be a good place to look for a buy from. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a sell. We are in a very good downtrend. So we have a support there. We have a support there. We have a support. We have a support. We have a support. There is a break below it. If the price pulls back upwards and ends up touching these two lines, then this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. Our support, our stop loss is above the high of this candle. The take profit is this one here. So have a sell limit, have your stop loss, and have a take profit somewhere there. The next chart is the SP500. This is upwards, just as we said some few days ago. So we took a buy position here. We're still holding on to that position. We expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards up to this target here. The next target is this one here. So expect that the price will continue upwards, especially while the price is above this line where we took this buy position. We are expecting that the buyers will continue to push us upwards with the first target here. The next target is this one here. And the next set is Brent oil. So it looks like this is a bullish reversal, that the price is now heading upwards. If you know the meaning of this formation, it normally means that the price is now headed upwards. So in this case, we may see an acceleration to the upper side. We do expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards up to this target here. So we have a support, there is a break below it. We expect that the buyers will continue pushing us upwards up to this target here. So when the price touches this point, this will be the best place to have your sell limit, have your stop loss above the high of this candle. The take profit will be where the price started to move to the upside. So the other way approach is this one, where you use the fib level. Where we expect to sell from is actually around 52-53% fib level. When the price gets there, pick a sell position, have your stop loss here, and then have your take profit somewhere here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of this session. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see.